How to use Delta Investment Tracker properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The Delta Investment Tracker is one of the most popular portfolio tracking apps out there, supporting everything from stocks and ETFs to crypto and NFTs. But most beginners misinterpret its data, leading to poor decisions. The first mistake is confusing unrealized gains with total performance. Delta separates your current market value for actual realized profits. If you've never sold, your returns are just paper gains, and that's a crucial distinction. Next, many users forget to sync all accounts. Delta lets you connect multiple brokers and wallets automatically. Leaving even one out means your performance charts are incomplete and misleading. Another mistake is ignoring asset allocation insights. Delta's pie chart isn't just pretty, it helps you identify overexposure to one asset class. If 80% of your money is in crypto or tech stocks, you're carrying unnecessary risk. Pro tip: use Delta's price alerts feature wisely. Instead of reacting emotionally to every dip, set alerts for key support or profit-taking levels. That's how professionals manage volatility. And here's what most people get wrong: they treat Delta as a trading tool, but it's really a decision compass. Used correctly, Delta turns your investment data into a roadmap for smarter diversification, steadier growth, and a calmer investor mindset.